vixen.
Hello everyone, welcome to our channel. Today we will see about the ancient peoples of Aztecs who were lived in American continents and the rise and the fall of Aztecs. Imagine a massive city reigning from the middle of the lake, bridges connecting floating gardens, temples touching the sky. This was Tenochtitlan, the heart of one of the most powerful civilizations in history, the Aztecs. But within just few years, this empire vanished. What happened? Today we explore the rise and the glory and the fall of Aztec civilization. Where were the Aztecs? The Aztecs lived in what is now modern day of Mexico, in the region known as Mesoamerica. Their capital was Tenochtitlan and was built on the lake of Texcoco. Unlike most cities, it stood on water-connected causeways and canals. They were civilized people. When you come to the origins of the Aztecs, their origin. The Aztecs were originally a wandering tribe known as Mexico. As you look, they were lived in Mexico City. According to the legend, they were guided by their god called Huitzilopochtli. They had their own gods, and they worshipped, most of them, they worshipped many gods and goddesses. They were told to settle where they saw an eagle perched on cactus eating a snake. They found in this sign in 1325 and built Tenochtitlan. Their capital, Tenochtitlan, were also beautiful. Building of Tenochtitlan. Their building was very, very fantastic. The Aztecs transformed a swampy land into magnificent city. They created chinampas, floating farms to grow crops. The city had temples, markets, places, and canals. It revived the greatest cities in the world at that time, means in 1325. The Aztec society also highly organized. They were well organized, they were well experienced. At the top was the emperor known as Huitzilopochtli. Their emperor was at the top. Below him were nobles, priests, warriors, and commoners. At the bottom were the slaves. The slaves were most owned people in Aztec. They were served for their leaders. One of the most famous rulers were Montezuma. Their leader Montezuma was highly respected by the people. When we come to their warfare, war was central to Aztec life. They were fought each other. They were at war most of the time. They were fought to expand their empire and capture prisoners. Captured enemies were often used in religious rituals. When you come to the religion and goddess of Aztec, religion shaped everything in Aztec life. They believed the gods needed nourishment, especially blood. Human sacrifices were performed to honor gods like Huitzilopochtli and Tulak. And the other knowledge and wisdom of culture of the Aztecs. The Aztecs were not only warriors, they were also scholars. They developed calendars, mathematics, writing systems. They were ancient, brilliant peoples. They also built schools for their children. When we come to economy and trade of Aztec economy was based on trade. They were traded with other peoples like Maya, Inca. Their markets were filled with the goods like cacao, textiles, and their food. Cacao beans were even used as many. At the end, in 16th century, Aztecs were explored by the colonizers, Spanish. In 1519, Spanish explorer Hernán Cortés arrived at Aztec. At first, the Aztecs welcomed him, but soon the conflict began. They conflicted each other. At the end, the final of Aztec Empire was by their enemy. The Spanish formed alliance with Aztec enemies. Diseases like smallpox weakened the population. After a long siege, Tenochtitlan fell in 1521. The Aztec Empire was destroyed completely. When you come to legacy of the Aztec, through their empire fell, the Aztec legacy lives on. Their culture, language, and traditions still influence modern Mexico City. The symbol of the eagle and snake remains on the Mexican flag. The story of Aztec is remember of human creativity, power, and fragility. Dear family, if you enjoyed this journey through history, do not forget to like and subscribe for more stories from the past. Thank you for watching.